Hello children, welcome to the video session of Standard 4 Computer Science Chapter 2 Type Tutor and Windows 7. Come, let's enter into the video session.
Introduction. We use pencil or pen to write text on paper. But in case of computers, we use keyboard to key in the text. The process of keying in the text is called typing. In computer keyboard, alphabets are not arranged sequentially from A to Z. They are arranged in QWERTY layout. The QWERTY is the standard computer keyboard layout and it refers to the first 6 letters on the upper alphabetic row of the keyboard. Using fingers, the text is keyed into the computer. For easy and fast typing, we use different fingers for specific alphabet. Hence, we need to practice touch type appropriate fingers for specific alphabet. There are several softwares available for touch type such as Type Tutor, Type Master, Tux Typing, Type Faster. Let us discuss about Type Tutor. Type Tutor is a software that helps to improve the typing speed and accuracy. The keyboard is made up of keys that are placed horizontally from left to right. The standard QWERTY keyboard consists of 5 rows. The first row contains the space bar, Windows, Alt and Control keys. The second row contains 7 alphabetic keys, 3 keys with symbols and 2 shift keys. The third row contains 9 alphabetic keys, 2 keys with symbols, 1 caps lock key and an enter key. The fourth row contains 10 alphabetic keys, 3 keys with symbols and a tab key. The fifth row contains 10 numeric keys, 3 keys with symbols and a backspace key. Rules to be followed while typing. Sit straight and in a comfortable distance from the keyboard. Keep your wrist off the table. Keep in mind the fingers and the corresponding letters used while typing. Do not look at the keyboard while typing. Type accurately but not fast. Speed will automatically come with practice. After each strike, the fingers and thumbs should return to home keys position. Data. Data is the representation of facts. It may be a character, word, number, picture or sound. In other words, data is bits of information but not the information itself. Example, Samsel 44044 Road, Kirpak, Chennai, etc. Information. When data is processed, organized, structured and presented in a meaningful way, it is called as information. Example, Samsel Publications 44 Taylors Road, Kirpak, Chennai 6,10,000. Phone number 264747736. File. A file is a collection of data or program stored in a computer's memory or storage device. It is identified by its name. The file name has 3 parts. They are file name, dot and extension. Some of the file extensions are .docx, that is document files, .bmp, paint application files, .jpg, picture files, .wav, sound files, .html, web files, .png portable network graphics files. Rules for naming a file. The length of the file name, including the complete length of the path, should not exceed 260 characters. Some special characters are restricted. It should not begin with the dot or hyphen. Folder. Folder is a collection of related files under one name. Folder consists of subfolders and files. In Windows, files and folders are managed by a program called Windows Explorer. To open Windows Explorer in Windows 7, click on Windows Explorer icon from Quick Launch toolbar of the taskbar, or click on Start button, All Programs, Accessories, Windows Explorer. The left part of the Explorer window displays Favorites desktop. Under that, Recent places and downloads. Next one is Libraries. Under the Libraries, Documents, Music, Pictures and Videos. Next one is Home group. Next one is Computer. Under the Computer, Local disk, C, D, E and F. Next one is Network. The right part of the Explorer window displays the contents of the item selected on the left part. Creation of folder. A folder can be created in three ways. Method 1. Click on the Windows Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select the location from the left side. Click on New Folder button. Method 2. Click on the Windows Explorer icon from the taskbar. Select the location from the left side. From the menu bar, click on File, New, Folder. Method 3. Right-click on the blank area of the Explorer window or any other location. A pop-up menu will appear. Choose New Folder. Thus, a new folder can be created using any one of the three methods explained above.